This is a 2008 Lely RP535 variable chamber baler, equipped with a towing eye, the 2.1 metre cams pickup, as a cockcast roller, height is adjustable on these carrying chains, the anti-contour wheels, which mount to the front pickup. Hasn't got a brake axle, and the tyres both sides are 1945 71s. That's in good condition. There's a hydraulic door, so if you block the pickup up, you can open the door up and pull the blockage through. And failed discharge ramps. The bail density is manually adjustable. Same with the number of net wraps, that's manually adjustable, and the bail size. Auto lube function. It's in stock and available now.